Despite its revolutionary nature, Bitcoin is far from flawless. There are a number of other cryptocurrencies, particularly altcoins, that are vying to overtake Bitcoin's dominance in the digital asset market. But hold on a second, what are altcoins? And what makes them different from Bitcoin? Hey, and welcome back to Crypto Cash Channel. In today's video, we are going to take a look at altcoins, how they differ from Bitcoin as well as what the future holds for altcoins. But, first, before we go on, a sub to the channel would be very appreciated. Comment, share the video, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up for the video. So, let's get into it. Alternative cryptocurrencies, preferably known as altcoins, are being created to compete with Bitcoin's supremacy. They are frequently a modified or enhanced version of Bitcoin and are designed to address the scalability issues with the currency. Altcoins are able to take advantage of Bitcoin's peer-to-peer payment system because of Bitcoin itself, since the technology used is similar to Bitcoin's. On the other hand, they stand out for their superior level of security and anonymity, as well as their faster transaction times. As a result of the explosive growth of altcoins like Ethereum, XRP, Coin, ADA, and BNB, just to name a few, a slew of new cryptocurrencies have emerged. The whole crypto market capitalization is currently approximately $1.9 trillion, and there are over 10,000 altcoins in circulation. Even though altcoins have been given attention, one can't help but wonder how they work and what future they hold. So, what is the process of trading altcoins? Well, the majority of altcoins may be traded on centralized and decentralized cryptocurrency exchanges. There are a variety of altcoins available on each of the cryptocurrency exchanges. In most cases, fiat currency purchases of altcoins are discouraged. Trading altcoins posted by the public is possible on DEXs like Uniswap rather than on centralized exchanges, which often require a more thorough listing process. In spite of the difficulties, large-scale merchants may prefer to use CEXs. When it comes to trading altcoins, the most difficult element is figuring out how to store the currencies. Despite the fact that certain CEXs allow you to maintain Bitcoin and other altcoins, it all depends on the altcoin's nature. It is possible to keep some altcoins on a public CEX wallet. However, it is not possible to store all of them. It's always better to be safe than sorry, even if most crypto exchanges give refunds. In the past, traders of altcoins used cold wallets to keep their coins out of the hands of hackers. So, what is the secret to the explosive rise of altcoins? Each cryptocurrency's altcoins have a distinct set of functions. The rise of the altcoin industry was triggered by Ethereum, not Bitcoin, despite the former's fame. Using the Ethereum network, anyone may develop a coin, allowing the project to get off to the best possible start. Decentralized finance, DeFi, a concept that originated on the Ethereum blockchain, is also a factor in the rise in demand for altcoins. Only a few of the thousands of cryptocurrencies are truly useful. As an example, the proof of history, polonium-1 hydride, protocol used by Solana, Sol, is thought to be faster than proof of work, POW, or proof of stake, polonium-2 sulfide. To speed up transactions at a lower cost, it uses its own cryptographic timestamps to keep track of its own transactions. Meanwhile, Polkadot's blockchain technology attempts to combine separate blockchains under a single roof to ease communication and interaction. Interoperability between several blockchains in the Polkadot network is an example of cross-blockchain interoperability. In addition, meme coins like Dogecoins and Shiba Inu coins may be in high demand because of their popularity on social media and because of celebrity endorsements. Cryptocurrencies are still a long way from being ready for widespread adoption, and unless we can develop user-friendly applications for general audiences, this will not change. However, it's only a matter of time until altcoins catch on. It's still viable to participate in this movement, which isn't only about betting on the proper horse, but about improving the sport as a whole. Altcoins have received a major boost from institutional investors in recent months. As of June 2020, Google announced the integration of its BigQuery platform, a decentralized database management system, with the Chainlink blockchain, a decentralized Oracle network, for data sourcing. On the other note, Grayscale Investments, one of the world's largest digital currency management firms, has over $30 billion in crypto holdings. Some $10 billion is invested in altcoins like ETH and Lieutenant Colonel. But just because the big players are doing it doesn't mean that you should as well. Investing in cryptocurrencies, like any other kind of digital currency, comes with a high degree of risk. If something sounds too good to be true, like the promises most of these altcoins make, you should always question the project and do a deep dive of the project just to be safe. So, is it a good idea to invest in altcoins? A well-diversified portfolio always wins in crypto trading, just as it does in stock trading. As a result, even in the event of a Bitcoin setback, the risks and gains can be balanced by other altcoins. The only thing you should be asking now is which altcoins are the best to trade and what to look out for when trading altcoins, given that there are over 10,000 of them. There are some considerations to keep in mind when trading altcoins. As long as you've got an understanding of altcoins and how to trade cryptocurrencies, you're good to go. Otherwise, there are a few basic things to keep in mind. First, check for liquidity in the markets and the market cap. It's a good idea to use basic analysis to evaluate the future of various altcoins. Because of poor management or lack of liquidity, altcoins have a history of disappearing from view. It is more likely for an altcoin with high liquidity to survive when the crypto market is at its lowest point. Furthermore, traders may more easily anticipate an optimum return when there is liquidity. The asset's market capitalization can provide you with a more thorough picture of the asset's value. It tells you whether or not it is safe to invest in cryptocurrency. Secondly, consider the altcoin's lifespan. Due to speculation in the interests of whales, trading a cryptocurrency early can be quite rewarding. However, there is always a chance of losing money. XRP, LTC, and ADA are some of the most stable cryptocurrencies. Therefore, you can avoid these worries by trading them. Third, beware of scams. For scams, the developer of the altcoin is usually in possession of a sizable portion of the total quantity in circulation. Pump and dumps are more frequent when one person or group wields a lot of influence. To get a more accurate picture of an altcoin, look into its policies, the people behind it, and its long-term prospects. Invest in altcoins that have a proven track record, a blockchain, and smart contracts in place. Due to the need to solve real-world problems, cryptocurrencies are developed with different utilities. Because of this, the cryptocurrency community began to break this terminology into categories. For each category of altcoins, there is a specific use case for why they were created. First, we have the mining-based cryptocurrencies. The cryptocurrency network solves mathematical problems to record data to the blockchain by using decentralized nodes. In exchange for their work, miners will receive tokens. Second, we have security tokens. These altcoins are linked to a company and resemble traditional stocks like the ICO more closely. As a form of a dividend, they may offer a payout or a fractional stake in the company. Dividends are the most popular kind of payment. Third, we have stablecoins. Using a fiat currency like the US dollar, stablecoins minimizes Bitcoin's volatility by pegging the value of the cryptocurrency to that currency's value. Probably the most well-known stablecoin is Tether, USDT, which has seen its value soar since its debut in 2016. It is reasonable to assume that Circle's USD coin, USDC, will be a direct competitor to USDT as a digital stablecoin because it runs on the same 4 different blockchains as Stellar, Algorand, and Solana. So which are the best altcoins? Well, there are over 10,000 altcoins on the market. Choosing one can be challenging. All traders should know what to look for before putting their money on the line. In addition, verifying the project's legitimacy is essential when determining the difference between massive gains and catastrophic losses. Most of the altcoins are illiquid, making them basically useless. Let's take a look at two of the most liquid altcoins, which are Ether and XRP. For years, Ethereum has been ranked second to Bitcoin in terms of market capitalization. It's possible to think of Ethereum as the ancestor of all other altcoins. Its ERC20 token standard is responsible for a major portion of today's cryptocurrencies. The Ripple network uses the XRP tokens to transfer value. While the SEC litigation against Ripple continues, the tokens have lately grown by 40% following a court decision favoring Ripple's executive. You can use the tokens to make cheap international money transfers, and they're known for their lightning-fast transaction times. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Did you like the video? What do you think about altcoins' future? Do you think they will replace Bitcoin in the near future? Comment below. Let's engage. Also, if you are interested in more videos like this, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more amazing videos. Goodbye. See you in the next video.